title, Xbox chief, says Activision Blizzard games aren't coming to Xbox Game Pass until 2024. Content as follows. Microsoft Gaming CEO Phil Spencer has confirmed that Activision Blizzard games will not be available on Xbox Game Pass until 2024. The announcement was made on the official Xbox podcast, where Spencer explained that the lengthy regulatory process prevented Microsoft from working with Activision Blizzard on their back catalog. The news comes as a disappointment to many Xbox fans who had anticipated the immediate availability of older versions of Call of Duty on Xbox Game Pass following Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard. This expectation was fueled by Microsoft's previous move of adding 20 Bethesda games to Game Pass, just 2 days after acquiring the company. Despite the delay, Spencer expressed excitement about the future and assured fans that Microsoft is working on integrating Activision Blizzard games into Xbox Game Pass.